Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. Here on the ADA chart, the market is currently still grinding higher. We had a phenomenal reaction to the orange micro support region in which we expected a low in either wave B in white of our Y wave to the upside. Again, I don't want to talk about the entire structure again, just a quick update, but we were tracking a WXY structure, which is a complex corrective pattern to the upside as part of this larger triangle we discussed, or we have been discussing over recent weeks and months. So this Y wave is currently actually playing out. And then within the Y wave, we're tracking an A, B, C structure, and the B wave might have indeed bottomed here. Yeah, might have indeed bottomed here. That was one scenario. The main support area for the B wave was between the 78.6 retracement and the 50% retracement. And okay, we had a nice reaction. Okay, so next scenario, orange count. In this scenario, we are already in a larger correction, not preferred. That would mean we are already in the E wave of the triangle. A wave down, B wave up, C wave down. But even in this scenario, we were tracking a reversal here. And then a more directly aggressive scenario that the wave 4 already finished, so the triangle already completed. Wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 to the downside. Also here, we wanted to see a reaction here. So good reaction. Okay, market is currently respecting the presented Fibonacci targets. And then we're now on our way higher, potentially in an internal third wave, in wave C of Y. So we're tracking here this move to the upside, labeled C wave, actually. I mean, I prefer the white scenario. We will see the price ideally would stretch towards 94.5 cents. I shared with you yesterday what likely the first resistance area will be. Market is now in that resistance area. So this is the first pivot that needs to be overcome. The first main resistance area the bulls need to break above to, let's say, clear the path towards the 94.5 cent level. By the way, there was not only Fibonacci support here. Yeah. So yeah, the golden ratio level, a very, very important Fibonacci support level. Well, that held, that was respected here around 72 cents, the 61.8 retracement. But it was not only that, it was also the lower boundary line of the trend channel here, which the market respected. So let's say a cluster of support there, yeah. And now we're now pushing higher. And again, this is also not only Fibonacci resistance here between 80.2 cents and 84.5 cents. No, it's also where those previous swing highs are located, around 84.5 cents. So that's all okay at the moment. The market is trying to push above the pullback from the last high. Hold on. The pullback from the last high is currently in 3 waves. So we might see further upside continuation from here. As long as this last swing low is holding, I would use this one as key level. We're now far away from that, but it is what it is. It's not a good time to enter now anyway. I mean, that would have been down here if you wanted to consider a position in ADA, but that's up to you. I mean, I only share with you the key setups. There was a setup. I don't see a setup now unless you want to trade the breakout, but then you need to really seriously consider where you want to set the stop. So as long as we're holding above the 74.3 cent level, that was the key level yesterday as well, the focus can be on higher prices, and we'll see if it can get to 94.5 cents. I mean, the microstructures have to stretch quite a bit to get there. So I'm not entirely sure if we will really get there. The structure will be technically complete if we get 5 waves to the upside, which would be a C wave. Whether we get to the 100% extension or not, for now we only have 3 waves. So one more high above the 86.5 cent level, which is the swing high from the 12th of May, will actually be sufficient. And then we have to watch for the first breaks of support level. So when we push higher, I can provide a new support level, and then a break below support would be our signal that the E wave has started. That's the update on ADA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.